Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. We'll keep this job lead as short and sweet and to the point as we can, so we will just dive on in. If you have good grammar and editing skills and you have a little bit of experience editing documents, this work from home job might just be for you. The company Great Minds is hiring a content editor. Now, this is for my United States folks only. But Great Minds is a company that is a growing brand in the pre-K all the way through 12th grade high school instructional material space. So they are all up in the education space. And they are looking for content editors to contribute to the development of their humanities products, including curricular and ancillary material, by editing them to ensuring consistency in language, voice, and presentation across the projects. Editors will work closely with content development teams, copy edit teams, and production teams to make sure there's consistent editorial approach to each project. So you will edit a variety of projects such as lessons plans, student resources, family tip sheets, facilitator guides for professional development sessions, handouts, slide presentations, information sheets, and implementation resources. So they want someone who can focus on clarity and concision of the content, coherence across all components of the project, consistency of language style and voice, readability, and appropriateness for the purpose and audience. You'll also resolve copy edits and proofreading edits, consulting with the project's content lead, and through feedback, workshops, and other forums, you also may end up coaching content developers on how to improve their writing and how to adhere to the guidelines. So they are specifically looking for someone who has at least 3 years of experience working as an editor or a copy editor, someone who has excellent interpersonal communication skills, someone who can think critically and has experience with Microsoft Office as well as Adobe, someone who has a mindset that values of ideation, someone who is highly organized and detailed and has the ability to quickly internalize and apply feedback to update the guidelines. They do require a high school diploma or GED, however, they do not require any college degree in writing or grammar or anything like that. The best thing about this job is it pays anywhere from $63,000 a year all the way up to $74,000 a year. Please note that if you are selected for an interview, you will have to complete a background check. As always, if this position was not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.